All you future engineers, bet you didn't know that's what FE stood for. Well, it is, and hopefully one day you'll pass your FE, you'll get your PE, and life will be great. So what we're doing this week is it's week 13, transportation engineering. So we got 14, 15, we're down to the home stretch here. So I hope that you were able to get some of this done throughout the semester, and it's been helpful. So what we're going to focus on this week is transportation engineering, and actually plane surveying is listed there as well. But if you go back, we're going to hit surveying later in a couple weeks here. We'll probably get into a little bit of curves and that sort of thing in transportation, but right now we're gonna kind of hold on plane surveying. But transportation capacity planning, geometric design, earthwork, pavement design, traffic safety. This is 8 to 12 questions on the exam, about 10% of the exam. So hopefully that makes some sense. And if you are travel day to day, you'll notice that transportation is more than 10% of our lives. But the reason this is important is because it gives you an opportunity to go get a job when you're done, right? America's infrastructure has a cumulative grade of a D+ according to the American Society of Civil Engineers and their infrastructure report card. So there's a lot of places where you're going to be able to go get a job, whether that's in capacity and planning, it's in geometric design, coming up with curves and layouts, it's in earthwork and actually putting this stuff in, figuring out the grading, all that sort of thing, figuring out the pavement section, pavement design that's going to go in, or some sort of traffic safety, making sure everybody and their dad can go home at night. So this is where there are jobs now. Some of you are TCI, some of you will be inspecting bridges, designing roads. There are ways to go make a living. So that's where we're starting. And I guess I have one joke for you here. It's about the professor that was in a car accident. It's really sad. He was grading tests on a curve. So come on, you gotta laugh a little bit. So this week I'm gonna take a stab at office hours, and we'll see where we go. When I taught a transportation capacity planning class, I did one of my tests was a lot of FE style questions with multiple choice answers. So maybe we'll pull that out and come up with some good zingers for you. So hopefully this helps. But checklist for this week, nothing too special here, but look at the reference handbooks. Again, this is a new one, but if you haven't signed up for the FE, go ahead and sign up for it. There's no time to lose here. If you're in civil engineering program, you can take it whenever you want. If you're in the civil engineering technology program, you do need to wait till you graduate in New York State to get automatic approval. So that's where we're at. And then here again, the FE review manual, chapters 48, 50 to 53, and take your quiz. So hope that's helpful, and we'll see you Thursday if you show up for the review session. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.